Doughnut glaze. We're making 4 types of glaze: mocha glaze, chocolate glaze, vanilla glaze, and mirror glaze. They are very simple to make. For the vanilla glaze, just add your vanilla flavor or extract your icing sugar. For chocolate glaze, add cocoa powder and chocolate flavor to your icing sugar. While the mocha glaze, just add your instant coffee and flavor of your choice to your icing sugar or powdered sugar, and then you add 1 tablespoon of water at a time to each of it and you mix. These first 3 glazes are very simple. You don't want your glaze looking or having a thin texture. Now these are the glaze I used for the ring donut that I shared last week. The water you are using for this recipe is lukewarm water. You could also substitute water for milk, depending on you. You could use milk instead of water. The milk too has to be lukewarm, not hot but lukewarm. You could store this glaze in your fridge for about 2 weeks, or you freeze it for up to 3 months. And these are ready. Now to the last glaze, mirror glaze. This has lots of items, but it's worth the try. I made use of white chocolate, gelatin, icing sugar, corn syrup or glucose, condensed milk and water. To the larger water, I added my gelatin and allowed it to sit or rest for 10 minutes. Then the smaller water, I added it to the icing sugar. Then I added my corn syrup or your glucose to the icing sugar and stirred that up. Next, I transferred it to a pan on low heat and allowed the icing sugar mixture to boil. This is on low heat. Once it boils like this, I'm going to be adding my gelatin mixture and I'll stir that well. Then add the condensed milk and stir and remove the pan from the heat. And I'm going to pour this hot mixture over my white chocolate and allow it to dissolve. Now, depending on the consistency of your mirror glaze, if you want it a little bit thicker, you could add extra icing sugar to the mixture once it's completely cool. Now I'm just going to transfer this mixture into 2 different bowls because I want to color them into 3 colors. You could color them to as many colors as you want. You could also do a marble effect. A marble effect is just adding several colors to one of the bowls. Please check the description box below for a detailed explanation of this glaze, and also please remember to subscribe to the channel as we release new videos every week.